Hey folks, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a 2019 Lexus LX570. It's got 43,000 miles. It's one owner, clean Carfax. We do have 2 key fobs, all the books, and the window sticker for this truck. We got this on trade. It was a local trade-in from a good client of ours. It's very nice. It's got heated and cooled seats. It's got the heated wood steering wheel, radar cruise, lane departure, blind spot, has the 21-inch wheels. It's pearl white. It does have the luxury package. It's got the Mark Levinson sound system, 3rd row seats. Very, very clean. Toe covers there. These 21 split spoke wheels, 21-inch. Good tires. Lots of tread left on those. Very clean back seat. Usually we get these and they have kids that have torn them all up. This client, their kids are all grown up, so we don't have that problem here. It does have the rear shades. Heated and cooled back seats as well, with all your climate controls, 4-zone climate control. Take a look at the front. Of course, the Mark Levinson down there. Take a look at this seat here. Nice clean bolster. Just a little bit of wear on this bolster here on the outside. Heated walnut steering wheel. There's your 43,000 miles. Of course, navigation and everything. Lots of buttons in here. Very nice, very clean, non-smoker, clean Carfax, one owner, all the keys and books. Can't ask for more than that. Give us a call, text, email. We do respond quick. The website is rogersmotorcars.com. You can ask questions in the comments here on YouTube and I will respond. We can ship anywhere in the United States. Most of our deals are done over the phone, email, or text message. You don't need to come in person to sign. We can do all that remote. And we can work with any bank if you're financing. Cash deals are great too. Check us out. We hope to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe. We got a lot of cars coming in the pipeline. See you soon.